It's one of those days where the world just feels a little too loud, and all I want is something that feels like a hug. The rain started an hour ago, perfect timing. Let's make something cozy. There's something so grounding about the rhythm of chopping. Just garlic, onions, and a quiet kitchen. We let this soften until they are sweet and golden. This is the base of everything. In goes the spinach and mushrooms. And for the heart of the sauce, a little secret: cashew cream blended with a touch of parmesan. It's rich, it's clean, and honestly, better than the heavy stuff. A bit of heat, a bit of salt, just enough to wake everything up. Now we bring it all together. That splash of pasta water is the magic. It turns the cream into silk. The chicken is seared with paprika and oregano. Finished with a squeeze of lemon to cut through the richness. It's simple, it's balanced. If this meal made your day a little brighter, I would love to have you here for the next one. Click that subscribe button to join our little kitchen. I'll see you in the next video.